this syllabus, it is possible to design a syllabus from variety orientation. For example, some including important function, other dealing with the situation on the topic, and the other with the notion and the structure. So, the main point in the multidimensional syllabus is it should be flexibility to check the central point of the teaching material.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.